Today we are reviewing OnePlus Nord N30 5G. OnePlus Nord N30 5G has a display size of 6.72 inches and has a display type of IPS LCD. The resolution on this phone is 1080p with the 391 ppi. The ratio on this phone is 20:9, which is about 91.4 screen-to-body ratio. The front-facing camera on this phone is 16 megapixel with internal storage of 128 gigabytes with microSD expansion available. There is no wireless charging available on this phone. For security option, there are fingerprints on the side along with the face unlock feature. The rear camera megapixel on this phone is 108 megapixel with 2 megapixel depth sensing and 2 megapixel macro. There are portrait mode on this phone for both front and rear camera. The RAM on this phone is 8 gigabytes and the processor on this phone is Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 5G. The maximum video recording resolution is 1080p rear and 1080p front. The battery capacity on this phone is 5,000 mAh and software on this phone is Android 13. This was review for OnePlus Nord N30 5G.